Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Up. In the previous class, we discussed inclusive education and children with special needs. In today's class, we will study another very important topic which is learning disabilities such as dyslexia, dysgraphia and Dyscalculia. Understanding learning disabilities is very important for teachers because it helps them support students who face specific learning difficulties. So, let us begin today's session and understand learning disability in a detail. Not all students learn in the same way. Some students face specific difficulties in reading, writing, or mathematics, even thought they have normal intelligence. These difficulties are called learning disabilities. Understanding learning disabilities helps teachers provide proper support and inclusive education. Learning disabilities refer to neurological disorders that affect the ability to read, write, speak, or calculate. Important points: students have a normal intelligence. Difficulties are specific, not general. They need special teaching strategies. Learning disabilities are not causes by laziness or lack of effort. Types of learning disabilities. The three main types are: first, dyslexia, reading difficulty; dysgraphia, writing difficulty; dyscalculia, mathematics difficulty. Each type affects a specific area of learning. Dyslexia, reading disability. Dyslexia is a difficulty in reading and understanding written words. Characteristics: difficulty recognize words, slow reading, problems with spelling, confusing similar letters like B, read D, P, read Q. For example, a child may read words incorrectly or skip words while reading. Dysgraphia, writing disability. Dysgraphia is a difficulty in writing skills. Characteristics: poor handwriting, difficulty forming letters, problems with spelling and grammar, difficulty recognize thoughts in writing. For example, a student may struggle to write sentences clearly. Now, dyscalculia, math disability. Dyscalculia is a difficulty in understanding numbers and mathematical concepts. Characteristics: difficulty understanding numbers, problems with calculations, difficulty remembering math facts, confusion with symbols, plus, minus, multiplication. For example, a student may struggle with the basic addition or subtraction. Cause of learning disabilities. Possible causes included neurological differences in a brain functioning, genetic factors, developmental issues. Important: learning disabilities are not caused by lack of intelligence or poor teaching. Role of teacher. Teachers play a very important role in supporting students with learning disabilities. Teacher, Teachers should be patient and supportive, use simple and clear instructions, provide extra time and practice, encourage students positively. A supportive teacher helps students build confidence and improve learning. Teaching strategies. Effective strategy includes use of visual aids and activities, breaking tasks into small steps, repetition and practice, individual attention, use of multisensory teaching methods. This strategy helps students learn more effectively. Inclusive classroom approach. An inclusive classroom, all students learn together, teachers adapt teaching methods, students receive equal opportunities. The focus is on supportive individual needs. Key exam points. Learning disabilities are specific learning difficulties. Types: dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia. Students have a normal intelligence. Teachers should use special teaching strategies. So, in today's class, we discuss learning disabilities and their types: dyslexia, dysgraphia, and dyscalculia. We learn how teachers can support students with these difficulties using effective teaching strategies. Understanding this topic helps teachers create a more inclusive and supportive learning environment. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in the CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss gifted children and creative learners, another important topic for CTET. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class on Archana's Teaching Up.